Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to back Python full course. In today's lesson we are going to learn bitwise operators in Python. These operators work on binary numbers and they are very helpful in low level programming, hardware programming and the optimized task. Let's begin. Explain everything about that. What are bitwise operators in Python? Bitwise operators compare or modify number bit by bit. For example, 5 in binary is equal to 0101 and binary is 0011. It's by set. Python use this binary value to perform operations. For example, first is AND operators, return 1 only if both bits are 1. For example, first I make file main.py. After that I will write code here. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. So this is the example. Print A and B. A, B. So answer is 1. So the first example is explain only the last bit match as 1, so the result is 001. So mostly accepted is 1 last number. So OR operators returns 1 if any one bit is 1. For example, A is equal to 5, same here, B is equal to 3 and print A, sorry, B. So the answer is result in binary 0111, that is the 7. So the XOR operators result 1 if bit are different. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3 and print A and B. So the answer is, sorry, B, the answer is 6. That is the binary number is 0110, so that is answer is 6. NOT operators flips every bit. Python also change the sign. For example, A is equal to 5, print minus A minus A. So the answer is minus 6. You do not need to have deep math here, just remember this left shift. I will explain the left shift. Move it to the left, value increase. For example, A is equal to 5 and print A one. So which is the 10, the right shift, move a bit to the right, value decrease. For example, A is equal to 10, print A 1. So that is the 5. That is 5. So this is our all about lecture bitwise operators in Python. If you find this lesson helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for my channel for the more programming tutors. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.